day to you, my future employer. I introduce myself. My name is Marites Pascual Lagadan. I'm 35 years old. I am married with 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy. The ages of my children is 14, 12, and 10. I have experience, ma'am and sir, as a helper in Kuwait for 2 years. I do laundry, cleaning, washing dishes, and cooking. Before my employers wake up, all the housework should be done because my focus is the children. That's all I did, ma'am, to my previous employer. If you accept me, ma'am and sir, I do my best to you and the children as well. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir. See you soon and God bless.